Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to attach image to a shape in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Canva application at first, and after opening the Canva application, you will get to see your existing projects into here, or you can open some new project. I'm just simply opening my recent projects in order to try that feature, and after opening your project into Canva, you just simply have to enter a shape if you don't have any shape into the picture. And after entering a shape into your picture, you just simply have to select the shape at first, and after that tap into these three dots. You will get the option of select multiple into here. Just simply tap into select multiple, and now you can choose the image which you want to attach with the shape. And as you can see here, this background image is successfully attached with the shape that I have entered. This way you can easily attach your shape with image. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.